Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. There are a number of countless famous writers around the world, each renowned for their contribution to literature. In this video, we will talk about some famous writers. Here are just a few notable examples. Number 1 on our list is obviously William Shakespeare. He belongs from England, often regarded as the greatest playwright in the English language, known for works like Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, and Macbeth. Number 2 on our list is Leo Tolstoy. He belongs from Russia, renowned for novels such as War and Peace and Anna Karenina. Tolstoy is considered one of the greatest novelists of all time. Number 3 on our list is Jane Austen. She is a female writer known for her novels exploring themes of love, marriage, and social hierarchy, including Pride and Prejudice and Sense and Sensibility. Number 4 is Gabriel Garcia Marquez. He is from Colombia, a leading figure of magical realism. Garcia Marquez wrote classicals like 100 Years of Solitude and Love in the Time of Cholera. Fifth one is Haruki Murakami from Japan, known for his surreal and imaginative storytelling. Murakami has written acclaimed works such as Norwegian Wood and Kafka on the Shore. Sixth one on our list is Toni Morrison from United States. A Nobel laureate, Morrison novels including Beloved, The Bluest Eye, and The Song of Solomon explores themes of race, identity, and memory. Seventh one on our list is Chinua Achebe from Nigeria, best known for his novel Things Fall Apart. Achebe is celebrated for his contributions to African literature and post-colonial discourse. Number 8 on our list is Jorge Luis Borges from Argentina, a master of short stories and essays. He is famous for his intricate narrative and exploration of philosophical themes. Number 9 on our list is Virginia Woolf from England, an influential modernist writer. Woolf's notable work include Mrs. Dalloway, To the Lighthouse, and Orlando. Last one on our list is J.K. Rowling, United Kingdom, creator of the Harry Potter series. Rowling is one of the best-selling authors in history, captivating readers worldwide with her magical world building and storytelling. These writers represent just a fraction of diverse and talented literacy voices from around the world. I hope you have liked my video, so kindly like, subscribe and share this video. We will meet next time.